in your country is not about you. That means your culture won't develop. Nothing about you will advance. Not your language. That mean you can only be like a slave. You agree with me? Do you agree, or do you have any challenges or any question or something is not clear?
I agree with you.
You understand?
Yeah.
So in those conditions, in the condition where in African countries throughout the continent everything is about European, nothing is about us. There is nowhere we as a people can advance or progress, or even have the image of being good people, or even because nothing is about us. You understand?
Yeah.
It means in Nigeria, the British interest, that means it's British colonial rule that is going on, because nothing represents the interest of the Nazi people. You agree with me?
Yeah.
On that, right?
Yeah.
And that is the reason why the languages are dominant, because we remain under them. It means in our countries, the order is built based on the interest, on the colonial interests, which are oppressing us because our interests are nowhere to be seen. You understand?
Okay.
Which means we are oppressed. That's why the languages are dominant in Africa. It's not like we do it of our own free will. It's because of the colonial order prevailing. You agree with me on that, right?
Yeah.
So that's one thing. Okay, my next question gonna be: will you support a drive to put our own African languages above those of Europeans who are using the languages for racial dominance over us? Because the kind of dominance they have over us, where in our own home nothing is about us, all is about them, that's racism. You understand?
Yeah.
Because it's not, if you go to Japan, or let's say you go to China, imagine everything in China is no more about Chinese, it's now about let's say Pakistanis. It means something is wrong.
Yeah.
You understand? Because everything in China is supposed to be about the Chinese. That's the only way Chinese can make progress. So if you go to a place like Gabon, everything must be about the Gabonese Nazi people. But if everything is now about the French, it means the Gabonese people can't make progress, because there is nothing representing the interest. There is nothing that says they're gonna progress, because everything is about French. You understand?
Yeah.
So will you support a drive to put our own African languages above those of Europeans who are using their languages for racial dominance over us? Meaning our languages recover their place as the pillars of our communication, also as main language of communication in Africa. Will you support that?
Yeah.
That's basically a drive to restore our interest. Because if you don't like your languages, if you don't like your language anymore, or if you like the British language more than your own language, it means your brain is under a negative influence, because you should never love another man's language above your own language, isn't it?
Yeah.
So
right.
will you support that we put our languages as the pillars of communication throughout the continent? It means English, French, Portuguese, go back to the owner's mouth. We establish African languages as the main language of communication, which is going to restore our interest and be the engine of our progress. Because if you go to Europe, nobody apart the UK speak English. The French speak French, the Portuguese speak Portuguese, the Italians speak Italian, the Germans speak German, and so on and so on. Only the English speak. If English is so-called international like they speak, that all of Europe gonna speak it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Why all Europe? Why all over Europe only English speak English? Why only French speak French? Why only Portugal speak Portuguese? Because
It's their language.
it's the language. Because Europe does not accept the dominance of another entity over another entity. We are still speaking their languages because they dominate us, and we remain the colonies, and they put in our brains, because we are the slave, that it's international. It's international. Why in Europe all of you don't use it? Why is only international in Africa and where you have colonized? You understand?
Yeah.
So you support that we restore our languages as pillars of communication in Africa. You agree with that, right?
Yeah, I do.
Europeans, my next question is going to be, Europeans have a history of oppression in Africa. They currently have total dominance over us in all spheres of our lives. Will you term the reality of European total dominance over us, them oppressing us? Will you call the kind of supreme dominance over every spheres of our lives, them oppressing us? Will you call that? Will you term it that way, or will you give it a different identification? What you think?
No. I don't have any idea about that.
Did you get the question? Europeans, I repeat, Europeans have a history of oppression in Africa.
Okay.
They currently have total dominance over us in all spheres of our lives. It means we speak their languages, they don't speak our languages, we have their names, we don't have our names. we see them 24/7 on TV, in our own TV, while they never see us 24/7 in the TV. Our women are now putting plastic hair, trying to look like the European, you know, and they hit the head. They walk like crazy people hitting the head because the scalp is too itchy. You find brown Africans who pinkinize the color, you know, which is like self-hate.
Yeah.
That's total dominance over every sphere of our lives. You understand? And they even, we even learned that God is white and the devil is black. That's the illustration they show us. So it's a savage and complete dominance. Will you term such a dominance oppression? If we are so much dominated by our historical oppressors, is that oppression or is not oppression? What do you think?
It's oppression.
Clear. That means we remain oppressed by European based on the current dominance. And actually that oppression is what has prevented us from moving forward. You understand?
Yeah.
Because if everything in your country is about England, it means it is English interests that are there. That means it's English that's gonna progress, not you. Because for you to progress, everything in your country must be about you, isn't it?
Oh yes.
You agree with me on that, right? Now, that's my next question. Okay. That's basically it. So will you support that we bring European people dominance over us to an end? That means we put our own interest in our own country first. Our interest on the language sphere, on the culture sphere, on the economic sphere. On that means because the kind of dominance they have is oppression, we must protect ourselves from the dominance and oppression. Will you agree with that?
Yeah, I do.
Will you agree with that, right? So will you agree that European images no longer colonize our TVs like they do right now? Will you support that? And then our own images become dominant on TV, because in Europe they don't have our images on the TV like we have the images.
Yeah.
You agree with me, right?
Yeah.
Have you noticed that almost all African children always carry pink-looking dolls, not brown-looking dolls? And that is also colonialism and oppression. It's psychological oppression, because why should brown children only carry pink-looking dolls but not dolls looking like their own color, right?
Yeah.
That's oppression, isn't it? Everywhere in Africa you go, you see that. So you see that European colonialism is ongoing. It is not a thing of the past. Will you agree with that?
Yeah, I do.
So what do you think about African president that says Africa is free, or we are free, Independence Day? Or what do you think about the so-called president that are celebrating Independence Day when European dominance is so widespread and is so deeply entrenched to the point we are becoming like crazy people, putting plastic hair, lightning. Our women are ashamed of their own hair now. You notice that?
Yeah.
And then brown Africans putting chemical on the face can give cancer on the skin, and it's self-hate. That's widespread dominance. That's colonialism. Now, what do you say about African leaders that claim we are free, independence? Wow. What do you say? Wow. Which word do you have for them? Are you gonna tell them to stop lying, fooling the people?
I'm telling you, they should stop lying. They should stop fooling us. I'm telling you, they should stop fooling us.
They should stop fooling us, right?
Yeah.
But that's it. Any closing argument? You would like to make to our viewers about what we spoke about?
Yeah, I just want to tell everyone in the house that we should embrace our own languages more than the European languages, so that we can move forward. Yeah.
The basis of every human being's progress is their own value. If you leave your value for another man's value, you are advancing his interest, not your interest. Actually, if you leave your own language and your own identity, your own culture beyond, it means you have accepted that you're inferior. And if you're inferior, that means they're going to use you like a tool for their progress.
Oh, yes.
And the only way you can make progress is if you agree that you are equal to anybody, and you will not let anything that belongs to you be painted as backward or left behind. Therefore, we have to put our interests first, isn't it?
Oh yes.
Right? And thank you very much for your time. And hopefully we talk.